Hi, I'm Alex Astor from Trellis Fine Florals in New York City, and this is Hanging Baskets. So what do we have here? We have a typical hanging basket that you might find at any garden center store. Its lining is shredded coconut, which, it's nice. It's a little overdone. If you want to make your hanging basket a little more designery, you can use Irish sheet moss, which you can actually cut with a scissor if you wish. I would remove the coconut shredding, and we can just line this basket with sheet moss, and it's a little more attractive and beautiful. People love Irish moss. And instead of the typical English ivy, I would use, these are sweet potato vines, and they come in this lime green, and I would put right next to it, another variety is this beautiful Plum Burgundy, and situated next to each other in succession, it looks very jaunty and fun. It's very pretty, especially when they continue to grow throughout the summer and become really profuse and hang down. And that's what you want your plants to do. You want them to hang down as much as possible. You don't want to put something in here that's going to grow straight up. It looks awkward. You want it to hang and flow and sway in the wind. So next, what we're going to do is we need a flower for the center. And you can use a nice begonia. It becomes very mounded. Or you could use a petunia. They have petunias that hang down as well. And what we would do is gently take them out of their plastic container, line them up around the perimeter, put the begonia in the center, and fill in with potting soil. The next step, and what is really crucial for these to grow healthily and in profusion, is you really want to soak this once a day. Definitely once a day, because hanging baskets dry out quickly because they're hanging in the wind. And the Irish moss will act as a sponge and soak up a lot of that water and keep your potting soil nice and moist. My name is Alex Astor, and this has been Hanging Baskets.